Now, good morning students. So that yesterday I have left that exercise 6.1, that part first. I have done only 3 sums here up to the third main. Now fourth main, construct the following angles and verify by measuring them by a protractor. This is 75 degree, second one is 105 degree and 135 degree. Let us start that one. Okay. Now the first one is given 75 degree. Let us start. First we have to draw a baseline. I can take 5 cm or 6 cm, no problem. Let us start. I will start off. First I have drawn the baseline. We can take any 2 points, that M and N I have taken. So I took that in 6 cm, no problem. From M we have to take as a, we have to do 90 cm, 90 angle. You know that, make an angle 90 degree. So I will draw that 2 cm I have taken, don't get confusion. Already you know that, this I taught you all. So this is 90 degree, how to make, I kept here, see, this is the way. And after that, the same way, we have to keep here that and cut it arc here. And similarly, I will keep here the point, again here also, see, and up also, see, dark one I will put off. After that, similarly, I will take this same measurement, see, here I will keep, and I will do here also arc, right? We got this, I think we have changed that here value, so we will get this value. See here, no need to change it, what it may be, that exact value should come. So after that, the 90 point I will draw here one point here, pointed dotted line. See here, from here to I will draw dotted line, because this line is only for usable we are taking. Here I have drawn the dotted line for the 90 degree. This I made. This is for, we got that. This we are done arc. And now from this same compass measurement you have to put market point, this point and this point. I'll do an arc from here also, one arc. See. After that I will do from the 90 degree, this 90 point I have to do arc here also. See. This I have done. Simple work. Understood? Now we got the point here, you see the point. After that, see, once again I will show you, don't get confusion. From here I will put the point and draw the arc one, right? Similarly, I will put the 90 arc here and I have drawn that one another arc, right? After that, the 2 points will intersect that one point. We have to join the line. That angle we will get exactly 75 degree. See, I will draw it here. This angle we will get 75 degree. We can measure also. We have to use the protractor and we can measure this. This I will keep the straight of that. See, this I have kept here. Now we got exactly 80 and 70 in difference between that, exactly 75 degree. This is 80, this is 70 degree. In between that is 75 degree, we got the line. Understood? This is the fourth main, first sub question. 10 sub question of the fourth main. Again I will show the 105 degree is given in the question. Now I will draw the baseline. See here, I will draw here. This is the baseline. I will draw 5 or 6 centimeter. Little bit lengthy I will draw. Don't get confusion. This I will put. This is B. This is C. This I have drawn 6 centimeter. Okay. After that, we have to take a 90 degree angle. We know that very well. Except you can take 2 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter, or you can take 1.5 centimeter. So I have kept on the B, this pointer, C, pointer should be done. And again I will do the 90 degree arc. See, I will do the 90 degree arc. See, I have done this. After that, the same measurement we have to keep on the point, this point. After that I will draw the 90 degree arc. We have changed that measurement. See, once again I will take little bit down in the pencil. Just a minute. This is the arc, first one arc we have done this. Okay. After, from here I will keep the point, this pointer, and this I will do the arc. See here, this here also we are done. After that I will put one arc on the top of that for 90 degree. See here, I have done. And similarly I will put this pointer here on this point. See, and from here I will draw this another arc for the 90 degree. This you understood? Now I can draw the dotted line from the 90, from here to this point. This point I will draw the 90 degree point. See here, that little bit the baseline is not straight, so we will get that cross of that. So after that, you see, you have to make this point this point and this point. Put consider as a this point. We have to draw one same arc here also. See here, I have drawn one arc from here to here. Okay. Now similarly this point I have drawn from here also. Now we got this point mix this here. Right. After that, where we got the value of the point, the intersecting the line, the arcs, this point you have to consider and draw the line. This we have to draw this line. See, this we got exactly the point of that 105 degree. We can measure in a compass also. We have kept in the 90 degree this line, 90 degree this line. This is 110 and 100 in between. This the value is 105 degree. But base line is not drawn properly. Okay, but base line is touched to that on the base track. Similarly, third one you have to draw 135 degree, or I will explain. First of all, we have to draw a base line and with a dotted line. See, I will here. See, this I'll point. See here, this I will take a dotted line. Why I will take? I will show that also. This is the we have done. This is 5 to 6 centimeter. This I will keep name. This is A and B. Next dotted line why I am taken, that also I will explain here. So we have to draw a 6 centimeter line. This and additional the extended line will be, that is for dotted line we have to draw. Okay. After that from A 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter we have to put and solve. Then we have to draw an arc of 2 centimeter arc, that is for 90 degree. So here you see touch of this line also. Done. That you see from here we have done that arc 2 centimeter. After that we have to keep this value, this here the pointer, again we have to draw this arc here and from here to here, and for 90 degree also from here and here to there. See, done. After that we have to draw a dotted line from the 90 degree, because consider as a 90 degree we have to take a dotted line. See this point and this the base line of the line. This I will draw the dotted line. Did you understood? Okay, this is the dotted line we have taken. This also you have to draw a dotted line from this point and to this point. So here to equally we have to keep and draw the pointed line, dotted line, because exact value line is we have to draw a continuous line. This is the dotted line we have drawn. Right. After that we have to put the pointer here, exactly what it may be that length of that, this you have to see, and cut it arc here. See, I have done arc. See, don't get confusion. So I have drawn this arc. Okay. After that from this point I have to keep and draw another pointer. This is arc, and draw the line. This is the dotted line we have to draw from this point to this, from the center to that center of the line. This point you have to see, this point and this point. Okay, now you have to see this. I have drawn the dotted line, I have joined. After that we have to take this point and this point, because we are getting this 140 degree angle. Again in between we have to draw the arc. See, here point you have to keep here point and cut it arc. Right, here you see this I have done cut it arc. Right, after that this point you have to keep here and draw the arc, cut that arc. Oh, so what it will be, we are joining into that between. So you have to see here, this is the line, and after that we have to join the line. Next we have to draw the point, this point and this point. See, exactly we have to keep that this point and draw the line. Exactly we will get this line. This is 135 degree. This is 135 degree. You have to put your protector and see here this point. I have drawn one fully line. These are the dotted lines. So for that see here, exactly this you have to see. This line you see, this is 140 and 130. In between the line is 135 degree. This exactly we got the value of this. We have got this value of this. Understood? So exactly 135 value we got. Now see. Now the fifth one, construct an equilateral triangle given its sides. Equilateral means all the sides are equal or all the angles are equal. Justify your construction also. Okay, see. Equilateral triangle. First of all, I will draw the baseline of this 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter, no problem. 5 centimeter I will take this time, or 6 centimeter only we can take, no problem. Okay, now I have taken, this is P, this is Q, this is 6 centimeter. Don't get confusion, right? After that, we have to draw the angles of equilateral triangles. So we can draw directly also, we can, no problem. So here you have to make the 6 centimeter angle. See here, measurement this you have to do. This is equal. After that, you have to cut an arc of this top of that, or you can take by using protractor also, no problem. This here, and after that you have to same measurement you have to keep here also and cut it arc. And afterwards we have to join this point. This we will get equilateral triangle. So that we have to join the line from the scale. This point PQ and R. This point we are taken X. This here I have to draw to join the line. Exactly we will get 60 degree. This also we will get 60 degree. I will show you in the protractor also. After that, this also we have to join the line. This also we will get 60 degree. 60 degree, 60 degree. This angle also we will get 60 degree. See here, I will explain here. This I will keep the protractor here, and I will show you that exactly we will get, that is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree from this angle, and similarly from here also we will get, this is also 60 degree. See here, we got the 60 degree. Did you understood? And this also similarly we will get the 60 degree. Okay. Now I am going to explain the exercise 6.2. The first question, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to, the baseline is 77 centimeter and angle B, from angle B is 75 degree we have to take, and similarly AB plus BC, AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. AB plus AC we have to take, that is AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter, we will get that, right? Now let us start that one. First BC we have to draw the line, baseline, that is for 7 centimeter, that is for baseline. So here you see, baseline I will draw here, just I will little bit reduce the videos, and here the first question. So here I will draw, that is 7 centimeter, baseline is given 7 centimeter, that is for BC, C, that is B, this is C, B and C, 7 centimeter. After that, you have to see, we have to make the angle 75 degree also, and we can keep protractor and take that line also, and first of all we have to do arc and 90 degree also we can take, or we can take directly 75 degree here. See, this I will draw the point here, 70 degree or 75 degree, 75 degree, 70 and 80 in between the point will be there. This is 75 degree. I will join the line exactly that, so that total is 13 centimeter we have, that is given line. See here, from here to here exactly I will take that 13 centimeter, I will cut it arc. See here, now this is exactly 13 centimeter we have to take here. See here, so I have taken this, I will reduce that video and into that. Okay, now the exactly is 13 centimeter we have to take the line. This is 13 centimeter in the given question, according to the 75 degree also, right? So here we know that 75 degree, this is angle 75 degree, or we can take by 90 degree, through 90 degree also we can take 2 centimeter. This cut it arc, see here, cut it arc, and here also we have to measure exactly this and this 90 degree arc. From here we have to take 90 degree dotted line. After that, where we will get the 90 degree pointed and dotted line I will draw here. See, right? After that, this point and this point, from that in between we have to cut it arcs. Say, where we are taken this point and this point, from that in between you have to draw a cut arc, we will get exactly 75 degree also. See, this is cut it, this is also cut it, exactly we got the 75 degree. See here, exactly we will got here and here also 75 degree. So this 75 degree will be there. After 75 we have to join the 13 centimeter line. See, this 13 centimeter we have to join the line. right? This 13 centimeter, this I will take D, right? After that you have to take this compass, measure from here to here more than half, I will cut it arcs here. See, more than half enough. This I will do arcs here and here also. This, see, done. Here also we are done, right? We have to do this arc, and here also we are done. So we are getting little bit here for, see here, I will show you exact measurement from here to this point is okay, this arc is okay, and this arc I will draw on, and after that this I will point, this point I will keep here the same measurement, I will cut it that arc, and here also I will do the arc. See that arc, done. After that, see here, after that we have to join the line, this line we have to join from this point, this arc point, we have to take this measurement and draw the line. See, we have to draw the line. See this, done. After that, you see, after that joining this point we have to take A, right? After that we have to draw the line in between this here. See here, this I have to join here. This is only the given of that. If you, this part AB plus AC, if you join, it will become 13 centimeter, right? This is only the first one we have done. Simple trick. First of all, we have to draw the baseline, and after that from here to 75 degree you have to draw the line and cut it arc from 13 centimeter here the length. After that you have to join the line, and more than half perpendicular bisector you have to cut from the both ends, this side and this end, from this end to this side and this side, and join the line. After joining the line we will get the intersecting line. That line you have to join the line up to C. This is the first one we have done. Okay. Now the second one, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 cm, angle B 45 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 cm. Here the given addition, here the given subtraction. Don't get scared. I will explain here. Now the second one is the BC, that is for 8 cm baseline we have to draw here. See, 8 cm from 0 to 8 cm. I have drawn here. This is 8 cm. Right? B, we can take BC because already the given, that is BC 8 centimeters should be given. Right? After that we have to draw the 45 degree angle. How to 45 degree? We know that very protractor we can use, or we can use this compass also better. This, it will look good also. 90 degree we have to take this 90 degree arc, and after that we have to put its arc 90 degree point, this arc, and again another one arc here, and from here to we have to draw the 90 degree point. After that we have to join the dotted line of that 90 degrees. See, this point and this point we have to make equal, and we have to draw the pointed 90 degree dotted line. See, I have drawn that. After that, how to draw the 45 degree means, we know that this compass we have to take more than we have to take this point, measure extreme, and we have to put the point of this here and cut it arc, and after that this 90 point we have to see this point you have to see the arc has joining onto that here. This point we have to keep here and cut the arc. After that we got the value of exactly 45 degree the line. See, this point you see, and from this point we have to draw this exactly 45 degree line. This I have drawn, that is 45 degree. And after that the line should be given. How much degree should be given? How to join the line here? How much length we have to join? See, I will tell you. So in the BC you have to take more than half perpendicular bisector line. See here, see, and more than half you have to take, cut it arcs here also and cut it arcs here also. See, I have done. And after that here also I have done. After that you have to keep on the B, this similarly you have to keep on the B and cut it arcs here also. Just a minute, I will take paper little bit up, and I will join here also and up also. Right? We got this arc, and here we have to get that arc, join that arc. See, we got joining here arc. The point you see, the joining the arcs here point and this point. We have to see this. We are taken from B to C, this B to arc, B to C to arc, again B to arc and B to arc down. Right? That is for perpendicular bisector. After that we have to join the points on the line. This down also we can take, no problem. We have to extend that. So this we have to join the line. See here, I have joined that point. After that, where the point has joined, this point has been joined to the line of the baseline. Then we have to draw the triangle. This is the exactly we are getting the value of that triangle. We got this, right? And after that, so we have to take this another point. Now the third one, construct a triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 6 centimeter baseline, and from the angle Q is 60 degree, and PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeter. Did you understood? Okay, let us start here. First of all, we have to draw the baseline, that is QR, that is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter in that given question, according to that, right? So here you see, from 0 to 6 centimeter we have to draw. This we have done. That is Q, this is R. This is baseline is 6 centimeter. Right? After that, we have to draw an arc of the 90 degree arc, 60 degree. 60 degree how to draw? You have to measure with a 2 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter or 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. I have drawn the arc, see. I have drawn a lengthy arc here, see. Right? I will draw it here. See, I have drawn like that. From here I will cut it arc. So on the baseline, see, I have done the cut. That arc we have to make the 90 degree, that is for 60 degree arc. This line and this point you have to see. This point we have to draw the 60 degree angle. This is 60 degree angle. After that, we have to draw the line. The line should extended line. This we have to draw the line extended on the baseline. So here you see, I have drawn extended line, see. Okay, after that we have to do more than perpendicular half, more than half. This line, baseline, more than half we have to draw, cut it arc on the both sides. This is perpendicular line, perpendicular bisector, because we have to join the triangle. See here, I have done, see, done. After that, see, so after that we have to see here, we have to join the perpendicular bisector line. See, this point and this point we have to take equally, make it equal, and we have to join the line. So I will draw here, see, where it is joined into that here. After that we have to draw the triangle here, see. We have joined here. This is the triangle we got. After that, from the arc, exactly we have to where the arc is cutted here, you see. Where the arc is cutted here, see. From here, this you see, that only no. So this only we have to join this arc here. So here you see, this is cutted. How much centimeter we have to check? We have to measure with a scale, that is 2 centimeter, exactly here, see. This is 2 centimeter, exactly here. We got this. After that, this 2 centimeter will be have to take 2 centimeter. After that, we have to, from the arc, we have to join the line, this. See, now we have to join this. This is the exactly we are getting the value of that triangle. That is 2 centimeter, and this perpendicular bisector also we have to give QR. This is P. This is line. We can take any variable. We can take X. No problem. Right? This is the third one we have done. Now I am going to explain the question number 4. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 30 degree, angle Z is 90 degree, and XY plus YZ plus XZ is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay. The baseline is given for us, that is for 11 centimeter. What is the given? 11 centimeter. Leave some space and down and up also. In between we have to draw the 11 centimeter baseline. See, we have drawn here 11 centimeter. This is the given in the question. 11 centimeter. That is we have to take, that is for 11 centimeter, that is X and Y, or that is angle Z is 90 degree. I will explain the question. Angle Y is given 30 degree, angle Z is given 90 degree. This is, I will take the baseline, that is YZ. This is Y, this is Y, this is Z. From here, you have to make it 90 degree. See here, how to make 90 degree this, we know that very well. And 45 degree also. See here, This we can use this arc 90 degree we can take here also, right? After that from here to the 2 centimeter this measure this arc, and again from here this top of the arc and this arc, right? This is done. After that this point and this arc you have to join. After that you have to draw a dotted line or a straight line, no problem, that we have to draw it and we have to show that one. This we have done 90 degree and exact 45 degree we know that very well. We have to take extend the line, this extended line from that here to here. We have to keep this point and cut it arc here, and from here we have to keep here and draw another point of the arc, right? After that we will get the 90-45 degree. This is 90 degree and 45 degree, half of the 90 degree, right? The angle should be given, that is 90 degree, that half is this we got, that is for line. After that we have to draw that angle is given 30 degree. Why angle is given 30 degree? Easily we have to, first of all we have to draw a arc 2 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter, no one. So we have drawn here, and after that we have to draw a 60 degree angle. See, this is 60 degree. From 60 degree we have to take half here. We will get 30 degree also here. See, from this point and this point we have to take in between that bisector line. This is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. Oh, 60 degree and 30 degree we have to take. No, only 30 degree we have to take. After that we have to take half of the 30 degree. Right. First I will take 30 degree here. Because I will not join this, because I should leave as usual, because 15 degree I should take off the join. See, this I have left as it is, and after that I will take in between this 15 degree, half of that, from this point to this point. See, from this point to this point, in between what it may be, we are taking the arc, that is okay. This is the arc here, and from here this point, from this point, see this point, from this we have to take arc. So we got this point intersecting on that arcs. So this point we have to see, this is, we get 15 degree, we can join to this inside. The both half angle we have to join the line. Half angle line and half angle line we have to join. See, now we can join this. This we got. After that, see here, we have joined this 30 degree and 60 degree. Total is 30 degree. And half angle is 15 degree. This total is 90 degree. This half angle we are getting 45 degree. This half angle and this half angle we have to join this here. After that, say, we have to keep your compass on this line. You have to extend either you 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter, no problem. We have to draw arcs here also. Don't change the measurement. See, and down also, right? Similarly, I will keep here also in the Y. I will draw here arcs also. See, up of and here also the under down also. We have drawn this. After that the same measurement. See, once again I will show you. Don't get confusion. Keep here on the side. More than extend 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. You have to draw arc, and here also. Similarly on the Y, you have to draw up also and down also. After that, you have to keep where is the joining point. This is X we have to give. X, Y, Z. This joining the point you have to keep here. On the X, you have to keep the drawing arcs, cut it here also, and here, and here, and after that here also. See, we got this. After that, this point to this point you have to join the line, and this point to this point we have to draw the line. See, I will draw it here. See, this point to this point. You have to extend the line. This. After that, this line. See, we are done. After that, see this point, X point, where the touches on the line, intersected line, this line and this line. See this line. This line. And after this, we have to draw the line. This, join the line. This we got exactly right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Similar to that outside, this will get 15 degree. Sorry, 30 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 30 degree. And remaining we will get this value 90 plus 30, 90. This will get 60 degree. Understood? The total sum of the triangles make 180 degree. This is the fourth one I have done. Next I should explain the fifth one, last question. See the fifth question. Construct a right angle triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and the hypotenuse and the other side is 18 centimeter. Can you solve this one or explain? Better you have to solve by itself only. Second one, otherwise I'll send it in the notes also. Okay. Thank you for watching. Question. The fifth one is given question wrong. Listen here, I will explain the question. I will only explain that one. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is 90 degree, and angle AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 12 centimeter. We have to draw the baseline. But two angles should be not given in the same question. You have to see here in the question number 5 in the textbook. So here, construct an angle that is base 12 centimeter. The remaining angle should be not given. Only the side is given 18 centimeter. That question is wrong. The value of the angle should be not given. So we have to solve like that. Okay, I will send it in the notes also. I will explain here. So I will explain here. Angle B is equal to 65th one. Angle B is 60 degree. Angle C is 90 degree. So I have drawn the baseline, that is 12 centimeter baseline, that is for BC. That is 12 centimeter, and we have to take first angle B is 60 degree. We have drawn that R, that is for 60 degree, and I have cutted this angle. We will get 60 degree. The half angle is 60 degree, half angle is 30 degree from here to here. Similarly, like that we have to draw 90 degree also from the C, because the angle is 90 degree. 90 degree is very easy, you know that. So I have drawn that 2 centimeter like that, and after that this point I will cut it arc. And similarly I will top of that, here also I will cut it arc, and here also I will join here arc. After that this arc, from this arc I will cut it arc 90 degree, and we have to draw the 45 degree also we will get. Okay, see here, I will draw the line 90 degree, and half angle we will get little bit here. This is 90 degree, and this point, from this point is 60 degree, you see from the B. This 60 degree, this middle angle is 30 degree, half angle is 30 degree. So we have to draw this line. I have done. This is 60 degree and 50 degree. For need, this 90 degree, half angle is 45 degree. Half angle is how much? Half, that is 90 is equal to 45 degree. This is 1 by 2, half is into 60 degrees 30 degree, right? So that is 30 degree. The here 90 degree, how to half I will make it? More than half this baseline, I will extend the line, and from these here, see here, I am extending here up to here, no problem. I will put on the point, I will do the arc here, don't get confusion, see, and from here also, I will cut it arc here also, same. After that, I will join the line, this point, this line, I will join, then we will get exactly the 45 degree angle. See, we got 45 degree. This full length is 90 degree, and the half angle is 45 degree, and similarly the full angle is here also B 60 degree, then half angle is 30 degree. This we got joining here. After that we know that very well, easily to find. If from B to or C we can take more than half line. I will do arc here, cut it arc, and here also I will do cut it arc, more than half, no problem. And similarly A, B, and this I will point joining here, this I will put name A. From here A I will do the arcs from here also, see, I have done, and similarly I will do here also the arc. See, I have done from the point B. So this arc and this arc, and I will put on the A. I will draw the cutted arcs here also. This for here, this for here, and after that I will draw it here. See here also. I will draw cutted here arc and here two arcs, right? So see, this arc is for what? This point. This line and this line point I have drawn. I should draw this. Don't get confusion. This I have drawn. After this arc and these arcs, I have to join this line. This from here to here. See, I have drawn. After that, see, that is little bit blur. Now you got it. Exactly. This point and this point we have to join from A. See, this we got exactly 90 degree. This is 90, this is also we got 90 degree angle. After that, this point I will join here, we will get that is 60 degree. This is angle we will get 60 plus 90, and this will get 30 degree. This is exactly we got according to the given question. This is the finish for the constructions. All sums I have done and send it in the notes also. Okay.